Hello you guys, and welcome back to another video. I feel like it's been a little bit of a minute since I've given you guys a video, kind of like a week. My bad. I'm kind of excited about this video because they started to frame my freaking house. It's just nice to see rooms starting to be framed because it was a basement for a little minute and the clock is ticking and I'm ready to be inside of my house. Y'all know I said I was gonna do some design boards and I did, and I do want to show you guys kind of what I've come up with so far. Now these are not definite. Some of the pieces I've already purchased, like the beds for the guest rooms and a few of the chairs and a fire pit for the deck oasis. However, things can still be changed. Different furniture and stuff can be put into different rooms and stuff like that. But I did want to go ahead and have a color scheme and all that good stuff. This video is sponsored by Skillshare, and I have been really into this one where an interior designer, her name is Sarah Earl, and she just talks about creating a color palette because I do want all of my rooms in my house to basically have the same kind of theme. And so I've just been coming up with a color palette and all that, as you guys can see in my design board. Okay, so this class is by, like I said, Sarah Earl, and it has, y'all got a lot of students in here, but this is an interior design creating a color palette one, and she goes over the basics of color, how to use the color wheel, like all that good stuff, so that you can really understand what colors should be, you know, in your home, what kind of figure out what you like. So that has been my newest class that I have been taking for Skillshare. Now, if you guys are not familiar with Skillshare, it is an app that has so many different classes that you guys can take to learn anything that you want to learn. And right now I've just been going crazy with learning different stuff. Of course, I'm going through this house buying process and there's so much that I should be learning right now. And it's just nice to have this. If you guys are interested, I will have everything linked in the description bar below. The first 1,000 people get a premium membership. So if you're interested, go ahead and click the link below. Yeah, y'all. So I am super excited. Without further ado, I know y'all are ready to get into it. Let's get into this house tour, this updated house tour. We are at my place. I'm just waiting on Tam to get here before we give you guys a tour. I'm trying to get the lighting right because it's so bright out here. My Sky up there, she's over there, and yeah, whenever Tam gets here, we're gonna start the tour of the house. I'm so excited to see that they've started building and they've started framing the house. And I did come the other day and see that they did the basement, so I wanted to show you guys everything, so stay tuned.
We was here like 2 weeks ago.
I know, and now it's like,
and
dang,
it's
we're gonna go to the basement first.
okay.
And then we're gonna come back up. So it's about to be muddy, y'all. We gotta go around here. Oh, I think this they little pathway.
Oh, you're smart.
Ain't it smart? That was a little wet. Okay. All right. We're in my basement. We're in my basement. I want to show y'all that they already framed out the basement, which is cool. It said studded, but like I didn't know how they were gonna do it. If it was gonna be just like a few studs going in the perimeter, or if they were actually going to stud out rooms, and they basically studded out rooms. So this seems to be one room. This seems to be the biggest room in the basement. It has a window, which is cool, and it also has a closet. I can tell that this is the closet right here, and you can tell where there's a new door because of this at the top. They always do that. I don't know what they call it, but that's how you can tell. So this is one big room. I don't know if I want to make this one like the actual gym or the studio or my actual like filming space. Tam, what you like? I don't know. Cause I feel like it'll be nice and big if it like mirrors on this wall.
Yes.
And I was working out, or if it was a dance studio, like it's the perfect size. However, also if I was filming, you know, it's better for it to be longer. So I feel like this will be good. But anyway, this is the first room, y'all. And there's one adjacent to this one. However, it'll be smaller because the bathroom is right here. You can tell from the plumbing that the bathroom is gonna be right there, and I can tell, so that's where they has basically cut this off right here. So that's gonna be a bathroom. I don't know why this board's right here.
Oh, another window.
Yeah, it's another one over here. So it's
Okay.
pretty cool.
This could be an office.
I know. I was saying this could be an office as well. Just this space. I think this board is just here to support right now. I hope.
I'm hoping that that's not gonna be a wall.
Yeah, because it's weird. Because this is a door. This should be another room. That should be a bathroom. Like I said, you can tell because of the doors. It seemed like a big door would be here.
Yeah, these seem like supports just for now.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, I think these are just supports. So I feel like that's a support. Honestly, that may be a support too, because they don't know how big I want the bathroom to be.
Yeah.
If you come here, this is where the stairs are gonna be to come down.
Yeah.
So I think they're gonna go down this way.
Okay.
And then this is the way to come out of the stairs. And then as you're coming in the basement, this will be the first thing you see, which will be this runway. And it seems like this is another room right here, which is cool. So we have 2 more rooms, and I'm trying to see if they're just gonna put framing on that, or if that's gonna be a window. I know it's not a window, so maybe they're just not done with the.
That would be cool if that was a window.
I know, I need more light. I would love more light in the basement. That'd be cool. But I don't know if they just stopped or what's going on right there. And then there's another room. I don't know what could be what because these rooms are smaller. So these could be like the office and the filming space too, but I don't know. And I'm thinking this area right here can just for sure be the living area. Have a little, TV and couches and all that good stuff down here.
This is so big.
This like big as hell for the basement,
I wonder
right?
if they're gonna put wall. Oh, and that right there. That's where that's the garage. That's the concrete.
Yep. That's the concrete for the garage. So this is a pretty big space for sure.
It is. I wonder if they're gonna put walls up.
They're not. It's
Okay.
just gonna be unfinished instead.
Okay.
So it's probably gonna pretty much look like this. I have to hire someone to do the installation and the framing and all that good stuff.
Okay.
So,
I like that they have the that the ceilings are high.
Right? Aren't they pretty high to be a basement? Like it doesn't feel like it's low at all.
Yay.
So this is the basement, guys. They have started upstairs too, so
Let's head up.
we are upstairs now. This is where the garage is gonna be. Let me show y'all where the entrance is so y'all get an idea. This is the porch area. This is the entrance. Welcome to my house. I think this is where the dining room is. And I think this is where the office is. I want to say, or it may be flipped. No, this is the office because the office is also connected to the bedroom that's on the first level.
Okay.
So, I don't know why there's only one door though. Very confusing. Come this way. This is gonna be the mud room because this is the entrance from the garage.
Okay.
Kitchen will be over here.
Pantry?
That is the pantry right there. And this is the keeping room right here. So basically the living room number 2. It'll be like right here where I have like little couches and stuff. I thought I was gonna bring my blue couch and stuff over here, but I don't think so because it's not gonna match my aesthetic. So, and I just realized how big the basement is. So I'm like, maybe I should take that couch and stuff and just put that in the basement. So that's what I think I'm gonna do. But this is the keeping room and this is the living room. You can tell by the high ceiling and the windows here. So that's pretty nice.
Oh, all those windows.
But the second floor isn't done. It's a big ass house.
So the living room is double. Yes, it goes all the way up.
It goes all the way up because the stairs are gonna be here where you can overlook, the top floor. So, what do they call that when they got the stairs? The runway or?
What do we call it? Remember, it was like a foyer.
The foyer is when you walk. Well, I guess so.
I don't know. We gonna have to look.
I guess so. It'd still be called a foyer. But anyway, this is how much they've done so far. As you can see, like I said, they don't have the top level on. So it's still building, but it's so much. They've done so much, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited. That's pretty much it for this update on the house. I just wanted to show you guys an update because it's kind of nice to see. I've been seeing so many people like go from, they'll show it once it has the roof on it, and I'm like, I want to see it without the roof right after the basement's done. So I think it's kind of cool to see. Okay, y'all, so that was all that I wanted to show y'all as far as the house tour goes. As y'all saw in the video, I was a little unsure as to where I wanted everything to be, but I think I got a real good idea. Of course, I'm gonna get someone to finish the basement up so I can take the framing down how it is right now, but I kind of like how it is right now because I have 5 rooms down there. But I'm thinking the office, since that is a big room as soon as you walk in, I want to make that like the office and filming space because I love how it has the closet added on that side as well. And then directly over from that, I want to do the gym, and then it's connected to a bathroom, so that's supposed to be a bedroom as well. I'm gonna put the bathroom beside that. In that open space, I said it was gonna be like a chill loungy area. I think I want to scratch that and have just like a bar with like, you know, just a kitchenette bar type of situation right there. And then I'll do the theater in the room that doesn't have a window and all that, friends. So I think I have a good idea about what I want, so I'm pretty excited about that. That's pretty much the entire video. I hope you really enjoyed it. I'm going to be taking you guys through the entire process of me, like everything. I want to show you guys as much as I can, so that's why you guys are seeing the framed house tour. And as soon as we get the roof on it and they ended up, you know, putting the drywall in, I'm gonna show y'all again. I like to see it. I was raised by carpenters, people who build things. That is kind of like my trade. I like the stuff. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Bye.